Turo ko sa inyo kung paano maggawa ng pattern ng blouse, okay? Sa baseline, on the top of your pattern paper, measure 1 inch downward and draw a straight line sideward. From the left side edge of your pattern paper, measure 1 inch sideward, then draw a straight line downward and mark in the left corner A. Okay? 1 inch dito pababa. Line kayo dyan. Para sa baseline yan. 1 inch dito sa side. Line din kung saan. Pataasin nyo kung saan kung hanggang saan ang measure ng blouse nyo. Kung saan ang ano ng blouse nyo. Pero wag nyo na ang pansinin muna yan. Dito mo tayo mag-focus, okay? From A downward, 3.5 inches para makuha mong B. Mark B. Ito standard. Yan ang gamit. Then from A to the right, measure 1/2 of your shoulder. Point 2. Then from point 2 downward, measure 1.5 inches. Standard yan. Mark number 3. Then connect 3 to point 1 with a straight line. Okay? From point C to the right, measure 1/2 of your front chest measurement. Kung ilan ang 1/2 ng front chest measurement nyo, dyan. Then, point number 4. From D to the right, measure 1/4 of your breast measurement. Yung breast measurement mo, ilan? Kung ilan ang breast measurement. From E to the right, i-measure mo yung hip measurement nyo. Yung hip measurement is 1/4 of your hips. Ilan ang 1/4 ng hips 2? Yung hip 2 yung kunin nyo. Mark 8. From 8, mag-add ka ng 1/4 for easing. Then connect 5, 7, and 0.9 dito. 8 ito. 9. 0.9. 8, 9. Yan. Yan. Connect. Ang pag-connect niyan, pag ganyan. Tapos, pagbaba na dito na sa waistline, pag ganyan na. Yan. Pakurbada pag ganyan. Okay? From your center of your shoulder,